crowd, no stage, just you and me. I chased a lot of voices, learned they fade with time. Applause never healed me, praise never held my line. I tried to be impressive, tried to leave my mark, but all that really mattered was who I was in the dark. So I lay down the trophies, every borrowed crown. Found peace ain't in being known, it's in being found. I don't need the world to see, I don't need a name remembered. If I hear you say to me, well done, my faithful servant, that's enough for me. I showed up when it was quiet, stayed when I could've ran, loved when it cost me something, obeyed when I didn't understand. No spotlight, no platform, just daily yes and amen. A life built on surrender, not trying to win, just stand. I won't measure success by what fades away, I measure it by faithfulness at the end of my days. I don't need the world to see, I don't need a name remembered. If I hear you say to me, well done, my faithful servant, that's enough. If nobody claps, if nobody knows, if it all stays hidden, I'm still okay, 'cause heaven heard it, heaven saw it. Every prayer, every sacrifice, I live for your approval, not their applause. I don't need the world to see, I don't need a name remembered. If I hear you say to me, well done, my faithful servant, that's enough, that's everything. I ran my race, I kept the faith, I'm home. No crowd, 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 no crowd.